you see, the interest of mwananchi should be number one.
Matongoretio ni mũmbunge wa Kitui David Boni. Abunge aya nĩ mekinyetie kwale kuoya mawoni ma mũingĩ megie wendia wa gĩcunjĩ gĩa 15 harĩ 100 gĩa shares cia Safaricom iria irĩ moko-inĩ ma thirikari.
Wakati tukipata hayo mapendekezo, tunataka kuona ya kwamba kuna usawa, sio kwamba hii miradi kweli ina umuhimu wa kiuchumi lakini iwe iko skewed, tunaikuta tu mahali sehemu fulani, ama sehemu moja imepewa miradi muhimu na huku kwingine wamepewa makombo. Hayo ni mambo ambayo hatutaki kuyasikia wala kuyaona, na ni mambo ambayo tutayaangalia kwa makini pale bungeni.
Augĩte riboti ya mawoni ma mũingĩ nĩ ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtabanio mbere ya bunge ya bũrũri nĩguo ĩnyitwo mbaru kana ĩregwo.
Pesa tunataka ingie, na hii ndio mapendekezo ya wananchi. Hii pesa ingie kwa National Infrastructure Fund, ingie hapo, serikali ilete projects. Bunge iwe inaweza pitisha hiyo project.
Aikari a Kware arĩa magomanĩte Kware Cultural Center mwena wa Matuga mendekithĩtie mbeca icio iria nĩ mũigana wa bilioni 240 citumĩke gũtungatĩra mũingĩ.
Watu wanatafuta pesa kama wananchi, kila siku tunalia maendeleo, na maendeleo kufanyika ni lazima serikali ukuwe na pesa ya kutosha. Kwa hivyo kule kuuza hisa 15 kuziuza hisa za serikali ikiwa inaleta pesa, ili pesa ile isaidie kuendesha maendeleo.
Kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩrĩte mũingĩ mbia ici cigũcokanĩrĩrio hamwe thĩinĩ wa kĩgĩna gĩa bũrũri kĩa ũkũria na ti thĩinĩ wa kĩgĩna gĩcokanĩrĩrie kana consolidated fund nĩguo kũgirĩrĩria ungumania na gũtũmĩka ũru kwa mbia ici cia mũingĩ.
And as we were encouraging Kenyans, always remain to see the reports of this committee, especially at the third reading stage, the committee of the whole house, because that is where all these amendments will be brought on board before the final product is completed, either for assent or for approval as a sessional member. So it is critical what they contribute, and we as a National Assembly and on record, we've been encouraging them to be seeing our reports even on website. All the views of Kenyans are captured there. So those who are worried, they need not to worry. They need to see the final product that the chairman will be moving in the amendment at the committee.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Njoki wa Mwangi.